Good morning, good evening, good afternoon guys. Welcome back to Salzburg and another Unplanned video. We're just waiting for the bus into the centre of town, but look at this for a bus stop view. So we got off our bus and we're in the city now and the weather is beautiful. It's 20 degrees. So this is Mirabelle Gardens and it is absolutely beautiful in every direction. We've just been watching the bees and the butterflies just going into flowers, and such a lovely day for it as well. Look, just so peaceful sitting here watching all the wildlife, all the flowers, listening to the water. Beautiful.
Oh, that's what.
I know I say it all the time, but just look at this. Look.
Look at the size of that padlock.
This is what I decided to get for my breakfast. This sandwich, where it focuses, just from the Beeler, and it's delightful. So this is the entrance to the viewpoint over the river. Look at this. This is the first viewpoint. And we're just up through here. Long way to go yet. They've got all these little statues here on the way up. But look at this. Look, there's Jesus with a cross. And look at this. Next little viewpoint. Just here. Oh wow. Look at that. The Alps in the background there. Look. It's the next little box there. There he is. Just chilling on the sun lounges in Benidorm. Blair Witch operating in these woods there. So just took the drone off to get some footage there, and look, it sliced all my finger. Look at me nail. See that? It sliced through my fingernail, through my knuckles. Hopefully the footage is worth it. Look at that. But it's what it takes to make a video, I guess. Back down the bottom, back onto the street. When you find a little passage like this, you have to go down it. Wow. Look at this cemetery. Wow.
Is that Mozart?
Look at this. Look at this little mausoleum. Look at that. Obviously I can't show you because there's this big gate here. Look at how beautiful it is in here. Look at how stunning those trees are. Just sitting in this park again, right? But look, how cool is this on the bottle of water in Austria? Look, right? So you can carry it, or if like you've got a carabiner in your bag, you can literally just slot that in. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Just slot it in and just carry it around with you. That is such a good idea. So we've just finished another lap around Mirabelle Park because it is so beautiful. Now we're going to go and get some tea and chill somewhere for a little. Look at this for a tunnel.
Walk through the tunnel on the
Look
right.
at that.
Then in one...
I've just come for a kebab and snacks and more here. These kebabs, honestly. So this is the chili cheese Durham. That is so good. Yep. Look at that for a shot. Beautiful. Right, time to head back. Right, we're just back in the hotel now. Going to transfer all the footage from today, get that edited up for the next video. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow we'll head to Nuremberg, Germany, but first Munich. So catch you tomorrow. Peace.